On the sunlit shores of Motunui, a restless spirit named Moana stood gazing at the horizon. Her heart was a woven tapestry of adventure and duty, pulling her toward the vast ocean that her people feared. Moana's eagerness was fueled by tales of a mighty hero named Maui, the trickster demi-god, whose adventures held the promise of restoring the life of her island. The elders spoke of the darkness consuming the heart of Te Fiti, a goddess who gave life to the world. Moana's village was suffering from failing crops and dwindling fish, signs of Te Fiti's heartbreak. The adventure was set, and only Moana's courage could save her home. With the blessing of the ocean, which had chosen her to be its traveler, Moana set sail on a canoe. She navigated the ocean's whispers and roars, guided by the stars and the memories of her ancestors, who once voyaged across these open waters. Sailing by her own bravery and the ocean's gentle hands, Moana encountered the trickster Maui. A towering figure with an infectious laugh and a shape-shifting fishhook, Maui was both companion and challenge, each moment with him filled with wonder and witty remarks. Convincing him to return Te Fiti's stolen heart was no easy feat. Together, they faced colossal waves and enigmatic sea creatures. They fought the monstrous Kakamora pirates, their sinister boats brimming with coconut armor and mischievous intent. Moana, armed only with determination and insight, found clever ways to outsmart them. Their journey took them through luminescent seas and storms that tested Moana's very spirit. But with every trial, her bond with Maui grew stronger, his antics and wisdom shaping Moana's resolve. At last, they reached the fiery island where Te Ka, the embodiment of destruction, reigned supreme. Moana confronted this terrifying force, guided by the stories of her ancestors and the sacred legends passed down through her people. With courage in her heart, she realized that the heart of Te Fiti still held hope. Moana's steadfast spirit and her newfound friendship with Maui enabled them to restore Te Fiti's heart. As the world stirred back to life, the once lifeless island flourished, blooming in vibrant greens and blues, the ocean singing in delight. Returning home, Moana was hailed as a leader and hero among her people, a beacon of courage and compassion. Her journey had transformed her into something so much more. Moana was no longer just a voyager of the seas, she was a guardian of her people's future. Her story endured, inspiring generations to come as the stars guided explorers across vast oceans.